Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring Wahda Mall, one of Abu Dhabi's most popular shopping destinations. Let's start with the beautiful exterior of this iconic mall. From the outside, Wahda Mall stands tall with its impressive modern architecture, a perfect blend of glass, metal, and elegant design. The grand entrance is spacious, welcoming you with a vibrant and lively atmosphere. Surrounding the mall, you'll find a clean and well-maintained area with lush greenery and beautifully landscaped pathways. The exterior lighting, especially in the evening, adds a magical touch, making the mall stand out even more. Conveniently located in the heart of Abu Dhabi, Wahda Mall is easily accessible from all directions, with a dedicated parking area that ensures hassle-free visits. As we move closer, you can see the large banners showcasing the latest brands, offers, and events, creating excitement right from the outside. Stay tuned as we head inside and explore the amazing shopping, dining, and entertainment options that Wahda Mall has to offer. Wahda Mall offers a spacious and well-organized parking area, making it super easy for visitors to find a spot without any hassle. Whether you're driving a compact car, an SUV, or even a luxury ride, there's always enough space. The parking area is well marked, with clear directions for entry and exit, making navigation smooth. Security cameras ensure safety, and the bright lighting adds to the sense of security. If you prefer easy access, the parking is directly connected to the mall's entrances, so you can step right into the shopping experience. For those who love convenience, there are even elevators and escalators directly connecting the parking area to the shopping floors. Let's head inside and see what Wahda Mall has in store for us. As we make our way from the parking area, you'll notice how well organized and spacious it is. Clear signs guide you effortlessly toward the elevators and escalators, making it easy to access any part of the mall without any confusion. From this parking area, you have direct access to the first and second floors. Simply choose an elevator for a quick ride up, or take the escalators for a smooth transition between levels. This convenient layout means you can head straight to your favorite stores without wasting any time. Starting with the first floor, you're welcomed by a variety of shops, from the latest fashion outlets to top electronic stores and beauty brands. It's a shopper's paradise where you can explore and indulge. If you wish to visit the ground floor, just take the escalator down. Here, you'll find an even wider selection of shopping options, cozy cafes perfect for a quick coffee break, and a lively atmosphere with families and friends enjoying their time. Whether you're exploring from top to bottom or simply popping in for a quick purchase, the design of Wahda Mall ensures a smooth, convenient experience. It's all about making your shopping journey as easy and enjoyable as possible. We're now heading down from the first floor to the ground floor of Wahda Mall. As we descend, you can already catch a glimpse of the vibrant energy below. The ground floor is where the mall truly comes to life, with a wide variety of shops, bustling cafes, and a welcoming atmosphere. The moment you step off the escalator, you're surrounded by a mix of popular brands, local stores, and tempting food outlets. The open layout makes it easy to explore, and the bright lighting creates a lively, inviting ambiance. It's the perfect spot for everything, whether you're here for a quick coffee, exploring the latest fashion trends, or just enjoying the vibe of the mall. So let's keep moving and see what this amazing ground floor has in store. head up from the ground floor to the first floor of Wahda Mall, you'll notice the seamless transition between levels. The escalators and elevators make it easy to reach the upper floors in seconds. On the first floor, you're immediately welcomed by a wide range of shops, from fashion and accessories to electronics and beauty outlets. The bright, spacious corridors and well-organized layout ensure a smooth shopping experience. Whether you're here to explore your favorite brands, grab a quick snack, or simply enjoy some window shopping, the first floor offers a little something for everyone. Keep watching as we explore more. As we make our way from the first floor to the second floor of Wahda Mall, the journey itself feels like a transition into a world of even more excitement and variety. The escalators smoothly carry you upward, offering a sweeping view of the lively atmosphere below, shoppers exploring stores, families enjoying their time, and a mix of colors and lights that bring the mall to life. Once we step onto the second floor, we're immediately greeted by a new world of choices. This floor is a haven for fashion lovers, with an impressive lineup of international and local brands. Whether you're searching for the latest trends, elegant accessories, or comfortable everyday wear, you're sure to find something that suits your style. But that's not all. The second floor also boasts a wide range of dining options, from quick bites at fast food outlets to more relaxed sit-down restaurants offering various cuisines. There's something to satisfy every craving. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the sight of delicious desserts are enough to tempt anyone for a quick snack break. For families, this floor offers more than just shopping and dining. Entertainment options like play areas for kids, arcades, and even specialty stores for toys and gifts make it a perfect spot for a family outing. As you continue exploring, the beautifully designed interiors of Wahda Mall make the experience even better. Well-lit corridors, spacious walkways, and clear signage ensure you never feel lost. The atmosphere is a blend of elegance and energy, making it a pleasure to stroll around. The second floor of Wahda Mall is not just about shopping and dining. It's an experience where you can explore, discover, and enjoy. Whether you're here to shop, grab a meal, entertain the kids, or just take a walk, this floor has something for everyone. a wrap on our amazing journey through Wahda Mall, a place where style, flavors, and endless excitement come together under one roof. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends, craving mouth-watering cuisine, or simply looking for a great place to unwind, Wahda Mall has it all. But this isn't just a shopping destination, it's an experience. From luxury brands to local treasures, from cozy cafes to grand dining experiences, this place truly has something for everyone. If you loved exploring Wahda Mall with me, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to WorldThroughAyesha so you never miss out on more amazing adventures. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you would love to see next. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and make every moment count. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.